back to my channel, and here we have question 3 of 2024 November GCE question, and the question is here as you can see, and it says that figure 3 shows the elevation and an incomplete plan of a truncated regular hexagonal pyramid in first angle orthograph projection. We asked to draw full size the complete plan and the end elevation, the complete plan and the end elevation. Alright, so looking at the what we have here, so the length or side of the hexagon is 35, and the height of the pyramid is, we have this to be 70, and this cutting plane so is at angle 30 degrees to the horizontal, and for us to draw this cutting plane we have to take 25 millimeters down for us to be able to draw this cutting plane. So let's see how the construction goes. So the first thing that we need to do here is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line. Okay, so horizontal center line, not just horizontal line. Then we draw a vertical center line here. So we draw a vertical center line. So it goes like this. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do, is to draw a circle of radius 35, which is the length or side of the hexagon, of the hexagonal base of the pyramid. So we take 35 millimeters. Okay, so put it at this point, then draw a circle. So draw a circle like this. Alright, so then put the pinpoint of the compass at this point, make an arc up here, make an arc down here, bring it to this point. So make an arc here and make an arc here. Alright, so we are going to number this point. So I'm going to call this point, I will call it, this is point. This is point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3. Okay, so this is 3, and this is 4, this is 5, and then we have 6 here. So I'm going to join this point together. So so we join 1 and 2 together with a straight line. We join 1 and 2 together with a straight line. Then we join 2 and 3 together like this, and we join 3 and 4 together. Okay, then we join 4, 5 together, then 5, 6 together, then we join 6 and 1 together, or 1 and 6. So here we have the hexagon in place. Then the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to join at the diagonal of corner 6 and 3 together, and then we join 2 and 5 together like this. Alright, so then we go on to draw the given elevation. So we come up a little bit, then here we draw horizontal line like this. Then we are going to draw a vertical line from point A here to meet the horizontal line. So we draw from 6, that is for 6 and 2, to meet the horizontal line. This is for 3 and 5, so draw a vertical line. Then for 4, so draw a vertical line here. Alright, so we are going to take the height of the pyramid, which is 70, so 70 millimeters. So this is 70 millimeters. Then we come down by 25. So this is 25 millimeters. Okay. Then we are going to, this is the apex of the pyramid. So we join this point 4 with the apex of the pyramid like this. Also, so this point 4 for 3 and 5, we join it together with the apex of the pyramid. And then this point that's meant for 2 and 6, so we join together with the apex of the pyramid. and this point that is meant for 1, so we join it together with the apex of the pyramid. Now we are going to, so this point that we have for 25 that we took down in this center line, we need to locate it on this left side of the pyramid, which is this point. And we are going to take our 30 degrees set square, 30 degrees set square, the set square has broken, so 30 degrees set square, so bring it to this point. Okay, then we draw the cutting plane. So the cutting plane, as you see there, is like this. Alright, so it's at angle 30 degree, because we make use of 30 degrees set square. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the complete plan, as we are told that we should draw the complete line. But before that, we have to make this line, we have to make it a thick line. Okay, so we have to make it a thick line, and this line also make it a thick line. Okay, because there's a corner here, there's a corner here, that's why we are making it a thick line. So this line also must be made a thick line. Okay, and then this line, so we make it a thick line. Alright, so then the base, so we also make it a thick line like this. Alright, so then for the complete plan, so what we have to do is to take the set square. So look at what we have here. So here we have what we have. This is 0.1. So this is 1 here, as we have here. And then this is 2. So, comma 6. And here we have what we have 3. Then, comma 5. And then this is 4. Alright, so from 0.1, so we are going to draw a vertical line so that we intersect this line 1 in the plan. So we draw like this. So we intersect line 1 at this point, so we take note of it. Okay, so we take note of it. Then we come to 2, 6. So we draw a vertical line down here. So here we have what the touches 2 at this point and touches 6 at this point. So next is we come to 5 and 3, or 3 and 5. So draw a vertical line. So it touches 3 at this point and touches 5 at this point. So last one is 4. So coming to this point, so we draw a vertical line and it intersects 4 at this point. So we have this. So next thing that we are going to do is to join the point together. So we join the point together like this. Okay. And we join this together. And also we join this together. Then, so we join this together. So we also join this together. And we join this together. Alright, so then with what we have here, so we are going to hash this surface because this is a rough surface here, so we have to show it in the plan. So we are going to hash this surface. So it's 45 degrees set square. So we draw action lines on this surface. So action lines are equally spaced and they are drawn within continuous lines. So I usually use my black pen to draw it so that you can see it. Alright, so this is the plan. So normally, so this line should be a thick line. So and this line should be a thick line. So this line also should be drawn thick. So also this line from here to here. So because of these corners, so that's how they will look in the plan. So we also make this line a thick line. And then we make this line a thick line. So this is a complete plan as we are asked to draw it. So the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the end elevation. And for the end elevation, we are looking at it in this direction. So we are going to produce the end elevation, place it here. So what we have to do is this. So we come to this point and we draw a horizontal line. So here we draw a horizontal line. and here we also draw horizontal center line here like this. Okay, then coming to this point, so we draw horizontal line here, and then so we extend this horizontal line. So we extend this horizontal line, and with our 45 degree set square being placed at this point on the front elevation, so we draw an inclined line that will be at an angle 45 degree to the horizontal. Then we are to draw a vertical line from this center. So from this center, we draw a vertical center line up here like this. Alright, so then if we are to number this point, so this is for 1, 4, as we have 1 here and 4 here. So this is for 1 and 4, while this is for 2 and 3, while this is for 5 and 6. So let's take note of that. So now we are going to draw a vertical line. So from this point here, that is for 2 and 3. So we draw a vertical line to touch the horizontal line, and we come to 5 and 6 also, we draw a vertical line to meet the horizontal line. Then for the apex of the pyramid, so we draw a line from here. So we need this point. So then we are going to join this point together. So with the apex of the pyramid. So we also do the same thing here. So join it together with the apex of the pyramid. So then the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a horizontal line from this point. So this is 4. So I draw a horizontal line from here like this. So this horizontal line that we drew from 4, it intersects. This is line 4 that contains 1 and 4. So this is point 4 here. So we take note of this point. So this is point 4. So then, so next one is, so we also draw horizontal line from 3 and 5. So draw horizontal line from here. So this horizontal line that we drew, so we have 3 along this line. So this is point 3 here. So here we have 3. Then at this point we have what? We have 5. This is 5 here. So here we have what? We have 5. The next is for 2 and 6. So 2 and 6. So we draw horizontal line from here. So so this is 2, 3. So here we have 2. This point, this is point 2, and this point here is point 6 here. So the last one is for 1. So draw horizontal line from here to intersect this line. So at this point we have 1 here. So this is 1. So we are going to join this point together. So we join this point together, 3 and 4. So we join this together. Then we join 1 and 6 together like this. Okay. Then we join 4 and 5 together. Then we join 1 and 2 together like this. And then so we join 5 and 6 and 2, 3. So we join them together like this. So we also need to make this line a thick line. Okay. Then we also make this line a thick line. And then so we make this base a thick line. Alright, so so we made this line thick lines because I can see a corner here, and I can see a corner here. I also have a corner in the middle here. So we also need to make this line that contains 1 and 4. So make a thick line because of this corner here. So now, next thing that we are going to do, we need to hash this surface, a rough surface. So we need to hash it. So we put hatching lines on this surface like this. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so we have answered the question. So this is the front elevation, this is the complete plan, and this is the end elevation. As simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Thank you. God bless you, and keep on practicing.